Hello children, let's do a new lesson in English. Unit 3, lesson number 21, There is the key of the kingdom. There is the key of the kingdom. This is a chain poem. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city, there is a town. In that town, there is a street. In that street, there is a lane. In that lane, there is a yard. In that yard, there is a house. In that house, there is a room. In that room, there is a bed. On that bed, there is a basket. In that basket, there are some flowers. Flowers in the basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom, and this is the key of the kingdom. So children, this is a chain poem. That means the things mentioned in this poem are connected to each other in two ways, biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest. For example, in the first line itself, we see the kingdom. Kingdom is the biggest. Then city. Then town, street, lane, yard. Yard means a place where there is a big garden, lawn, fence is there, and there is a house. After the yard, there is house, room, bed, basket and flowers. So these lines are arranged from bigger to smaller and they are connected to each other, like in that kingdom there is a city, in that city there is a town, in that town there is a street and so on. And the other way is smaller to bigger. Flowers in a basket, then bed, room, house, yard, lane, street, town, city, kingdom. So this poem is like a puzzle to find the key of the kingdom, and it is like the directions are given that there is the key of the kingdom and in that kingdom there is a city and in that city there is a town. In that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket. And in that basket there are some flowers. Similarly, in the next paragraph, the same puzzle is shown in a reverse order, like flowers in the basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. Most of the times you may have played some puzzles with your friends or your cousins with a map or giving some clues. So this poem is also in that way. Exercise. Question 1. List all the things mentioned in the poem in two ways. A. From the smallest to the biggest. Now what is there from smallest to the biggest? See in the second stanza. Smallest to biggest. So basket, bed, room, house, yard, lane, street, town, city, and kingdom. This we can write as the smallest to biggest. Then question B, from the biggest to smallest. See in the first stanza, biggest, the kingdom is the biggest. Kingdom, city, town, street, lane, yard, house, room, bed, and basket. This is from biggest to smallest. Question 2. Put the following chains in the proper order. You may start from the smallest or the biggest. Let's start from the smallest. What can be the smallest in the first one? Shirt, car, man, pocket, highway, pen. What can be the smallest? We can write smallest as the pen. Pen in the pocket. Pocket on the shirt. Shirt on the man. Man on the car. Car is on the highway. Then second one, seeds, container, house, kitchen, dried chili. Let's start from the smallest. Smallest are the seeds. Seeds in the dried chili. Dried chili is in the container. Container is in the kitchen and kitchen is in the house. Then next, letter, word, bookshop, story, storybook, paragraph, sentence. What can be the smallest one? Letter. Letter in a word. Word in a sentence. Sentence in a paragraph. Paragraph in a story. Story in the storybook. And storybook in a bookshop. Then next, tail, hair, mountain, cave, bear. What can be the smallest? Hair. Hair on the tail. Tail of the bear. Bear in the cave and cave in the mountain. Then the next, grain of corn, field, plant, stalk, ear of corn. What can be the smallest? Grain. Grain of corn on the ear of corn, corn on the stalk, stalk on the plant, and plant on the field. So in this way, chains can be made of anything using your imagination according to their size.